Welcome. In this video I will show you where to find the serial number of your ACER Chromebook 713. So let's close the lid of the laptop and let's take a look at the back cover of the device. Here you'll find the label with your serial number and also SNID right here. It also has manufacturing date and presumably the exact model number of this device. So right here in the middle we have the serial number, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.